Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Webflow SEO settings and export metadata step by step clearly. To withdraw from Webflow SEO settings, first, log into your Webflow dashboard. Navigate to the project you want to work on. Once inside the project, click on the Pages tab in the left sidebar. Select the specific page for which you want to adjust the SEO settings. Scroll down to the SEO settings section. Here, you can see the current meta title and meta description. To withdraw from specific SEO settings, simply delete the text from these fields. You can also toggle off any additional options like Open Graph settings if they are not needed. Next, let's export the metadata. Return to the main project dashboard. Click on the settings icon located in the left sidebar. Select the SEO tab from the settings menu. Here, you will find a summary of all your SEO settings and metadata. Look for the export option, usually found at the bottom of the page. Click on the export button to download your SEO settings as a CSV file. This file will contain all your meta titles and descriptions for easy access. You have now successfully withdrawn from Webflow SEO settings and exported your metadata. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.